manual labourer.
Well, now that I've changed clothes and got into the car, it feels very real and a bit sort of, you know, anxious about what we're about to do.
And I'm on helium gas.
What I'm about to see, so yeah, a bit of trepidation, I suppose.
Hello. Oh, it isn't working.
There's a reason for that. It's actually,
Hello. Oh, it doesn't work. I'll get the other thing.
the warm clothes that are packed anyway.
Stephen will be staying at a local bed and breakfast, which rents
Let me go and get
instructions.
Is this really where we're staying? I've never been to this pub. I thought it was a pub.
Yeah.
Certainly different. Hello there. I'm here to check in, please.
To keep his identity a secret, Stephen is using a different name.
Martin. Okay, that's great.
Hello. How are you? I am Tamla. I am having St. Paul's Day tomorrow. It's going to be very fun.
When
So,
Stephen's away
you
from
like
home, he's
Tamla?
more used
I
to
like
staying in 5-star luxury hotels, not sharing a
So,
space with
I'll
12
see
other
you
guests.
tomorrow. Bye.
Okay, thank you. It's quite different from the normal hotel room I would be in. It's less